So, welcome back to ClipNext. Today, we are going to install a flag. So, here I have a flagpole. I purchased this from Walmart and I will link in the description below. So, this has a nice socket here where the flagpole goes, and this is the instruction how to display it. And it is 2 by 3 feet flag, and it is 70% polyester and 30% cotton, and it has a 4 feet aluminum pole. So let's open this up. So these are the flag mounting rings, and the flag color looks perfect. This is made in USA. So beautiful fabric, and it's 2 feet by 3 feet, and it has a brass grommet on both sides. It's pretty nice and sturdy, well stitched. It comes with the hardware to mount the bracket, so let's install it. So slide the grommet rings into the mounting rings. Slide this down and tighten it so that the flag is straight. All right. So the bracket is installed, and insert the pole and just tighten, and it looks very beautiful. So happy 4th of July everyone. Thank you for watching.